Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Nationwide app to file a claim faster. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the Nationwide app on your mobile device. If you haven't already logged in, enter your username and password, then tap Login. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Claims section on the dashboard. Tap on File a Claim to start the process. The app will prompt you to select the type of claim you want to file. Choose the appropriate option from the list provided. Next, you will be asked to provide details about the incident. Fill in all required fields accurately for a smoother process. After entering the details, tap Next to proceed. You may need to upload supporting documents or images related to your claim. To do this, select Upload Files and choose the images or documents from your device. Once you've added all necessary information, review your claim carefully. Make sure everything is correct and complete. Tap Submit to file your claim officially. You will receive a confirmation notification once your claim is submitted. Check your email or app notifications for updates regarding your claim. If you need further assistance, you can contact customer support through the app. This will help ensure a quicker resolution of your claim. Following these steps will allow you to connect the Nationwide app to file a claim faster. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.